Good. Hi guys, this person is lying in front of a Somalian shop in Belleville. He was trying to rob that shop with a knife and empty pistol. There were two guys actually. One has escaped, he ran away, and the customers of the shop find out and they beat him very badly with stones, bunch, and also a lot of kicks. When you are wrong side, always helmet to God. Don't expect to help you because you are trying to harm innocent. You are trying to rob somebody's wealth. You are trying to harm or rob someone who even doesn't aware what you are going to do. He thinks that you are a customer, but now look what happened to you.